Dear students, today we are going to study lesson 21, forms of verbs. This is your page number 86, lesson 21, forms of verbs. Students, you know verbs are doing words or action words. Besides that, there are be verbs and have verbs. Today we study about forms of verb. Verbs are that part of speech which can change its forms. Verbs जो है अपने रूप बार बार change कर सकता है. Today we will study about the base form, the past tense and past participle form of verb. इस चैप्टर में आप वर्ब्स के 3 टाइप्स पढ़ेंगे. दैट इज़ इट्स बेस फॉर्म, पास्ट टेंस एंड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. द बेस फॉर्म में वर्ब बिल्कुल वैसा ही होता है जैसा वो प्रेजेंट टेंस में होता है. लाइक यू कैन सी 2 वर्ब्स गिवन हियर, वॉक एंड आस्क. But when you change it into past tense, walk will become walked and ask will become asked. You can see this in this column. Walk in the base form. In the past tense it becomes walked. And ask in base form, in past tense it becomes asked. ed हमने लगाया है. And in the past participle it became same, walked and asked. In these 2 given examples, the past tense and past participle both are in similar form. तो ऐसे verbs को हम लोग बोलते हैं regular verbs. जिस verbs का past tense and past participle same form में होता है, वैसे verbs को हम लोग कहते हैं रेगुलर वर्ब्स. बट हर वर्ब का पास्ट टेंस एंड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल सेम नहीं होता है. नाउ सी हियर वी विल सी सम इर्रेगुलर वर्ब्स. इर्रेगुलर वर्ब्स में देखो ये टाइप 1 इन दिस ऑल 3 फॉर्म्स आर सेम. ऑल 3 फॉर्म्स, कौन से 3 फॉर्म्स? बेस फॉर्म, पास्ट टेंस एंड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. तो ये जो टाइप 1 है जिसमें ये वर्ड्स दिए हैं, द वे दे आर इन द बेस फॉर्म, द सेम वे दे विल बी इन पास्ट टेंस एंड सेम वे इट विल बी इन पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. सम एग्जाम्पल्स आई विल रीड लाइक बेट, बेट, बेट. कॉस्ट, कॉस्ट, कॉस्ट. कट, कट, कट. Cut is in base form also it is cut, in past tense also it is cut. Cut does not become cutted. Cut का cutted नहीं होता है past tense में. Cut is always used as cut. In past participle also cut. So when you read this paragraph, you will read about type 1 in which all the 3 forms base, past and past participle are same. What you have to do, you have to learn this. How will you learn? You have to learn like this: bet, bet, bet. Cost, cost, cost. Cut, cut, cut. This way you have to remember that these are the words which remain same in all the 3 forms. Now we will study about type 2. In type 2, 2 forms are same as become, became. देखो यहाँ ए है एंड अगेन बिकम. इन दिस योर दिस एंड दिस फॉर्म इज सेम. लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट पेज. बेंड, बेंट, बेंट. सी इन दिस 2 फॉर्म इज सेम. पास्ट एंड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म इज सेम. बेस फॉर्म बेंड था, बट बेंड जब पास्ट टेंस में कहोगे तो कहोगे बेंट. And in past participle also bent. Bring, brought, brought. these two forms are same. So this is the type 2. This all is type 2, in which you will find two forms are same. इससे पहले जो type 1 पढ़ा हमने, उसमें all the three forms were same. And in this type 2 column, from here up till here you will read, in which any two are same. Then comes the type 3. In type 3, all three forms are different. As what are the all three forms? Base form, past tense and past participle. And in this type 3, base form, some other word is there, past tense some other word, and past participle some other word, like be. In past tense, be verb becomes was, were, and in past participle it becomes been. Begin, began, begun. Bite, bit, bitten. Blow, blew, blown. Eat, ate, eaten. Now you will think that when do we use ate and when do we use eaten? क्या डिफरेंस है दोनों में? तो जब आप have, has के साथ यूज़ करते हो, then you write eaten. Okay, I ate my breakfast. I have eaten my breakfast. Have ate नहीं बोलते हैं, have eaten. With have and has we use past participle form. Here we see that some verbs have special past participle form. They can be used as adjectives. Drink, drunk, drunken. Prove, proved, proven. Shave, shaved, shaven. Strike, struck, striken. Shrink, shrunk, shrunken. So what is this? Why two participles? This is usual past participle and this is adjective past participle. How do we use adjective? Suppose we are describing a man, we can say drunken man, proven theory. Now what will you do, children? First of all, you will learn all the three pages. That is from here, the green columns that are given in this page and this page and the next two pages. All these columns you have to learn by heart. Okay? Let us see what they have asked you to do in this exercise. In this lesson we will do only exercise A. Fill in the past tense or past participle of verb given. Sentence is given, there is a blank in it, word is given in the bracket, but this is the base form given, but we will not fill the base form. We have to fill either past tense or past participle. And how will we decide whether we have to fill past tense or past participle? So look at the sentences, then I will tell you. First sentence is, the boy has dash across the English Channel. Here you have to write swim. So we will write here past participle form of swim. Because we have a has here, क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक has है, तो जब has होता है तब हम simple past tense नहीं यूज़ करते हैं, past participle form यूज़ करते हैं. Okay. See that swim past tense is swam and past participle is swum. So the boy has, we will use past participle क्योंकि यहाँ has है, so that will be swum. Next is Telugu is dash in Andhra Pradesh. Word is speak. Because we have an is here, so we will use past participle. Past participle of speak is spoken. So how did we decide in this two, has or is? So we had a be verb or have verb. So we used swum and spoken, past participle form. I dash it as a joke. Word is mean. Here we don't have be verb or have verb. So here we will use past tense. I meant. Next is it had dash the test of time. See, here we have had. So what will we use? Past tense or past participle? We will use past participle form of stand. That is stood. My car dash in the mud. Stick. No be verb or have verb. So we will write direct past tense. That is stuck. The teacher dashed them an example set. Past tense we will use, and that is also set. Set is type 1 in which all the three forms are same. I hope my prayers will be. See, here we have a be verb. So we will use past participle form. That is heard. He dashed up the meeting and left in a hurry. Wind. Sorry, this is wind. So we will write simple past tense here. Wound. He dash his speech with a joke. This is begin. Here we will use past tense of begin, that is began. The Titanic dash after a few hours of collision. Sink. It will be simple past tense, sank. If you have any doubt regarding how to do this exercise, you can ask your doubt.